Python dev installation error, ImportError, no module named apt_pkg. I am Debian user, and I want to install Python dev, but when I run the code in the shell as a root, I get the following error. What seems to be the problem and how can I resolve it?
Make sure you have a working Python apt package. You could try and remove and install that package again to fix the problem with apt_pkg.so not being located.
I met this problem when doing sudo apt-get update. My env is Debian 8, with Python 2.7 plus 3.4, default, plus 3.5. The following code will only recreate a apt_pkg.so file for Python 3.5. The following code solved my problem. Go to dist packages. Locate the appropriate .so file for the Python version installed on your system. Create a symbolic link. Replace your version number appropriately. Caution, the following will create a symlink from apt_pkg37m to apt_pkg36m. Make sure you are linking to the correct, or at least to an existing version by ls apt_pkg.python*, and see which ones you have installed. So, obviously, Python 3 apt checks the highest Python version instead of the current Python version in use. To understand why this is happening, see this answer further down, this URL.
Solve it by this. Or. Basically, if you get a no such file or directory, just ls to try to get the right name.
This happened to me on Ubuntu 18.04.2 after I tried to install Python 3.7 from the dead snakes repo. Solution was this. 1. cd. 2. sudo lns apt_package.python 36mx86_64 linux new.so apt_package.so